Next to you, Okay, so I'm back at the infamous Walmart. Woo! Because I'm out here adulting as usual. So I'm finally getting myself a food saver. I have purchased one at Value Village, and I got it for $10, and realized the shit was really bad. Then now trying to get myself a nice little mirror. This one's an easel one. Now it's not the same in comparison to what I have in Toronto, which is a leaner mirror. Super big, super tall. It's like at least 8 feet tall, the one that I have in Toronto. And I mean, this is something for a little something. So it's nothing too crazy. It's about let's see. After a while, when you start doing more housing things, you start looking at housing stuff.
Would you like to donate today? How many store-provided bags did you use today? 0. Your total is 1.
So I literally just came back from Walmart. I got the mirror in the back, as you can see. And I was sitting here thinking to myself, what do I need from No Frills? Like, I think I have everything at home that I eat, you know? And then I thought about some spinach. I need spinach. I have to get some. But then, you know what? Because I have the food saver, I was like, what do I need to do? And then I started thinking about smoothies. And it just dawned on me. I swear, I wish I had this on camera. But I was sitting here like, yeah, like I should just definitely do this, get the smoothies. And I'm like, oh man, I have the food saver. And I said I should really pre-save these like smoothie packs, you know, everything that I'm gonna have in my smoothies. That's a really good idea. Yo, I kid you not, that is literally how it was. Talking to myself, going through my thought process, and it was like, I could do that now. Pre-freeze my smoothie drinks and then have them frozen, so therefore they're always chilled and everything like that. Another thing that I was trying to figure out if I should just add the milk later or not, because usually because there's this like one brand that I know where you pop it in and then you add milk and then it makes the smoothie, so it's already frozen, you just have to blend it, and that's what it does. But yeah, so I just thought about it and I was like, shit. But then I don't want to pre-blend to then blend again, you know? I rather store and then when the time comes, blend when necessary, you know? So that's my thought. So when I go home, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to make these pre-designated pre-designated frozen packs that have my smoothie ingredients in it, including all the stuff, flax seeds and all. So once I do that, I'm good. I just take it out of the freezer one time. It's already free. It's already frozen. It's already packed. I don't need to go through anything. It's a zip, 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 and go. I just need to spend one day actually prepping it. And this is my goal right now. So my goal right now is to work on meal prepping and convenience, just making my life a lot easier in the sense of productivity and efficiency. So with that being said, a lot of the things that I'm doing, obviously I love a fresh fruit. I think the freshest fruit that I like to have are bananas. And of course, when I am storing, I think one of the downfalls to this is that, will my fruits be, fresh? So that's gonna be a big thing. Other than that, chilling for the most part. So I really do think that's a really good idea, and I look forward to doing this. But yeah, essentially my meal prepping is where what is that? Look like I got a cocoa right here. Stress. Anyways, it's a pimple. But essentially I'm trying to work on that stuff, and I am looking so forward to this because, baby, there's this lady who like keeps walking around the cars. She doesn't know where she's at, and her husband doesn't know where he's at either. It's actually weird. I don't know if they even remember where they parked the car, but it's weird. And she's been hovering around the cars for like ever. Madness. But anyways. Takes the water out. And sealing. Yep. I got it. So, didn't have it placed in there completely where I needed to have it completely sealed. Now I know you need to actually have at least about 2 inches in before I could actually do that. So, but this is how vacuumed it is. I obviously stopped it, so therefore there's a little bit of room left inside. But yes, that's the idea that my epiphany that I had in the car. And I'm gonna just see if I can definitely get this done. I'm gonna seal it for some food. Some smoothies. And of course, these can be reused, reduced, and recycled. So I do not have to just use them one time and that's it. So I'm gonna try and do 5 of these for 5 times a week. Actually, I should do 7. 7 for 7 times a week in preparation of these smoothies. I feel like I'm gonna have so many things in these things. Grab 4. 5. All right, cool. 7 bags right here, right now. And these are gonna be designated for my meals. I wish I could do 2 at the same time. Unfortunately, cannot. But that's okay. As that goes, I'm gonna work on the other one. These are, I think, milkweed packs or something like that. So I'm gonna put it. Boop. Just made a whole mess with it. This thing is not easy. Take some beautiful bananas. Usually I eat 1 banana, but for this, I'm gonna have 2. I just purchased some as well, and I feel like I should just leave it to 1, but so what I do when I have my bananas as well, I actually do break them up. So I feel like breaking them up would be reasonable. Right. It's the edge of the sink for me. No, I was living on the edge still. Okay, so this one's a little green. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have 1 ripe, 1 green. Just do half of it for the other one. Put some strawberries in the mix. Then get some mango in the mix. So usually I would have spinach, but I don't know what happened. Okay. And then some pineapple. So I probably will have to go back out. Just like that. Smoothie in a pack. Boom. So got my food saver, and here are my smoothies in a pack, so I don't have to worry.